Hello and welcome back to Android tutorials. In this video, I am going to explain you a async task, which is an important part in Android development. When you want to do the any task in background, then you can use this async task. And if you are facing the error of network on main exception, means performing a task in main UI thread. So there are two solutions for network on main thread exception. So first solution, let me tell you, and afterwards we are going to do the second solution, that is async task itself. But there are some limitation of thread, because we cannot get the result for the operation that we do in thread. So here I am writing new thread in our main activity. So I am just going to log the all its functions, and if you want to do any of these actions, then you can do that and get the result for your task. And when you do a or when you execute HTTP connection in main activity, then you will get network on main thread exception. So to avoid that, you can use new thread, then new runnable. So in this run, you can run your HTTP connection query. So here again, as I had said you, I am going to just log all these things. So here first a tag will be error. So we are going to add this tag as a constant field. So find the solution by clicking more action, or when you click here you will find a red bulb from here, but let me just create it by myself. So string, let's just give it a tag. Now on run we are going to write plus thread executed. So we are going to log this thread as a executed. So this is the first solution for your HTTP connection and network on main thread error. Now let me show you the second step for avoiding that network on main thread operation and adding the async task. So to add the async task, you can create a separate file from your package name for async task. So you can right click on your package name file in this Android, new, and click Java class. So here you have to write async task example, then click on enter. So you will get your class done. And if you want to make it inner class, then you can also do that. So first let me delete this Java class, and then in main activity here you have to write a new class. So here I am going to create public class static. So static will be here, static, and now here I am going to write async task example as a inner class. Then we are going to extend it with async task. And here the first parameter you have to pass is what type you want to do action in background. So here I am going to write string, then comma, or we don't want to add anything, so void, then our loading things means progress will be also void, If you want to add integer, then you can add it, and return type will be string. Now close, get a error. So click on that error and implement all this method. Means do in background. This is compulsory method, and before this we have another three methods. So here I am going to write return type to string. Okay, so let it be void. Now here we are going to add on pre execute. Then we have to write on progress update. Then on post execute. So here you can see that we had implemented all three methods. So in here you can write your things to be pre-executed. So here I am going to write my task started. My task, just my task in string. Okay. So here you have to pass whatever thing you want to add before our task start. So here I am going to write run. Then in do in background, again I am going to log ran. Then same log here on progress update. Here again I am going to write ran, and in post execute again log d. So again ran. So now if you want to start your method while executing the result, so first in on pre-execute you can do invisible layout. Here in doing background you can perform your HTTP request. Here in on progress update you can update the progress. So you can update progress, and in on post execute you can see result. So here instead of return null we are going to write task completed. So you can perform your HTTP request here, and you can get your result back, and that result will store under this as, means under this string. And if you want to get this result, then you can write custom method. So update your UI with this string, and then you can create this method. Inside this you can start your activity. So as this is as simple, so you can see that here the error is showing. Okay, so this was the small tutorial. So here I am going to toast it. Now how to execute this async task example. So in your own create method or wherever you want, write async task example m task is equal to new async task, and then m task dot execute. So here you will run your background task and get your result from async task, and you can also avoid on network uh, on main thread network exception. So thanks for watching this Android tutorial, and if you really enjoyed this video then please make sure you like and share this Android tutorial. Thanks for watching Android tutorials.